Alright, pork with sour pickled mustard greens. This is a common dish all over Southeast Asia, and I'm doing a slightly Thai version of it today because the pickled mustard greens I got are actually a Thai one, and I really do like Thai food, so I'm going to do it in that way. I've got about a pound of pork. It's pork shoulder that is cut into very fine strips, and I've marinated that in about a tablespoon of Thai fish sauce and about half a teaspoon of black pepper, freshly ground black pepper. In addition to that, you'll need half a medium brown onion, which is shredded. You'll need about two bell peppers, which have been chopped up and shredded fine like the onions. You'll need about half a tablespoon of fish sauce. That's in addition to the one that's in the marinated pork. Don't worry about this, the recipe's below in the description. You'll need about a tablespoon of soy sauce, and when I say a tablespoon of soy sauce, I like to mix it up a bit, so I'm using half and half of this lovely Healthy Boy brand mushroom soy sauce. That's a Thai soy sauce, and I'm using normal Thai soy sauce, Healthy Boy brand again, which I really like. That's a normal light soy sauce, and in this case I've used Tbsp fish sauce, which is made from fermented anchovies, I believe. Right, in addition to all that, I've got 6 cloves of garlic, which I've chopped up, and I've got some cooking oil. In this case I've got some, that's coconut oil, which I'm going to use for frying. And the next thing I need to do is get my mustard pickles. What I want to do is I want to rinse that in water and then chop it up finely like the rest of the vegetables. Okay, so I've rinsed my mustard cabbage. It comes like that. I mean, it's and then what I do is I just chop it up finely, like that. And the mustard cabbage is really just a sort of primitive kind of cabbage, but done this way, it's a bit like sauerkraut, a bit like kimchi, in that it's probiotic, so it helps to promote a healthy gut flora. So it's really actually very good for you. And mustard cabbage treated this way is much better for you than just plain old boiled mustard cabbage. So it's because it's got that probiotic element about it. And in addition to that, it adds a delicious sourness to your meal, and it goes really well with pork. So let's give that a try. So in taste, it's in the same sort of flavour spectrum as kimchi and sauerkraut, that sort of thing. Right, the next thing we want to do is get a frying pan really hot, and then I'll show you that close up. Alright, the fry pan's coming up to heat. Let's just get in the coconut oil. Coconut oil turns solid in cool climates, as you see there. But it's still the same wonderful ingredient, and it smells awesome when you put it in the pan. That lovely coconut smell. I use quite a lot of coconut oil one way or another. I even use it in my homemade soap. Right, once that comes up to heat, get in your pork. And get it frying off. Okay, once you've got a turn on the pork, in goes the onion and the garlic. Stir to mix. And then you can go in with your peppers, your bell peppers. Do that quick stir to mix it all together. And then in goes your soy sauce and your fish sauce. That smells wonderful. Right, what I want to do now is go in with my mustard cabbage. I don't think this is a dish that immediately appeals to Westerners until they actually taste it, and when they do, they love it. So give it a try. Really, seriously, give it a try. It's really good. And mustard cabbage isn't expensive either, so it's a really good value, and it's a very nice, delicious, healthy meal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cover that and let that cook for a while. But before I do, these two little hot peppers, they came with in the package of the mustard greens. So what I'm going to do now is just let that cover and cook on for another 2 or 3 minutes. That's a couple of minutes. Lift the lid, and I'm going to have a quick taste of that. Make sure I get a bit of everything, so I know what's coming. That's really delicious. The pork is succulent. The sourness of the mustard greens comes right through, and the sweetness of the pork and the peppers. It's really a great counterbalance, and it's no surprise to me that this is one of the most popular dishes in Southeast Asia. Enjoy. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.